People are always saying, where are the good men at? Man, where are the good women at?
I've seen quite a few of this guy's videos and it usually gets quite a hard time in the comments. But to be honest, I think he's doing a really good job. Along with these guys, you know how these alpha men who are telling you how to pick up women and how to get several girlfriends? I think that they're really doing an amazing job at showing people what not to look for in a man. We should make compilations of these guys' videos and show them in schools to educate girls on what to avoid and boys on how not to act. In one of that guy's videos, he talks about how you should read your partner's phone because his ex-girlfriend cheated on him and he was so heartbroken, probably the best decision she ever made. Now, while my partner has told me the password for their phone several times because I've had to go in and send a text or something, it instantly goes out my head because I've never felt the need to go through their phone. I don't care what's in it. That's called trust. And when you see these alphas teaching men how to get several girlfriends, and in the comments people are saying there's no way you've ever had a girlfriend, well, I tend to disagree because I have watched many episodes of Jeremy Kyle and Jerry Springer, and sometimes these men do actually get girlfriends, and sometimes they get more than one, and they fight over them. Now, what is wrong with these women mentally, we don't know, but it does happen. And not only that, when you watch F-Boy Island and you see some of these self-proclaimed F-boys talking about how many women they've been with, the first thing that crosses my mind is, did they sleep with you for free and was there consent? And I think that the answer is probably going to be no. Thankfully, I'm way too old to have to deal with these creeps. However, I do have a niece and I educate her in the best way I know how. We watch 80s and 90s movies and I teach her about narcissistic tendencies, gaslighting and paedophiles, because in the 80s and 90s we were kind of conditioned to believe that these things were kind of normal. So if we've watched Ferris Bueller's Day Off, 16 Candles, Howard the Duck and Blank Check, I'm really teaching her that if your friend is using you like the way Ferris Bueller did, he is a narcissist and he does not give a fuck. And no matter how much you like a pet or an animal, do not have sex with it. Please do not kiss an older detective. It doesn't matter if they're in the FBI, CIA or whatever. Do not be kissing 32-year-old men when you're 12. And no matter how upset you are that your parents forgot your 16th birthday, don't get drunk, go out driving and then have sex with somebody that you hardly even know. So these videos will be added to the playlist that I'll show my niece over the years. I'll show her the video and then ask her, what is wrong with these men? Are they insecure, narcissists, gaslighters or psychopaths? And I know for a fact she'll get a 10 out of 10 score because she's got the best teacher she can get.